Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. The heli trip is coming up. I had so much fun last year, had to sign up again. Occasionally when I'm skiing and it's snowing, these lenses would fog up. So the plan is to buy a replacement lens and carry it with me. Instead of wiping or trying to dry it out, I would take the replacement, click it on, and we are good to go. But this company, Zionor, their replacement lenses are currently out of stock, but my buddy was saying I could use another company. Let's do some research. Okay, so according to Google AI, Outdoor Master and Zionor goggles are very similar. When I'm on Amazon, I don't see any of the Zionor ones, but when I go to Outdoor Master, there are plenty of options to choose from. Let's place an order and wait for it to get here. Moment of truth. We got the Zionor over here and the new Outdoor Master over here. Spoiler alert, they are very similar, but not exactly the same. Here's a closer look at the Zionor. When I'm taking it on and off, the magnetic tension from this one feels very similar and close. The only differences I see is the plastic cutout up here. This one's a little more shallow. I don't know if I could get that on camera. This one here is a little more noticeable. This is rounded and smooth here versus this one. You can see this edge poke out a little bit. I'm not too worried. They feel pretty good to me. It was only $20, so if it does break, I'm not too sad about it. When I was researching, I didn't see any videos on this comparing these two, so I thought I'd make a quick and easy one. And if one person finds this helpful in the future, mission accomplished. This is why I am doing the YouTube. Super excited to go on the heli trip with the boys. Very grateful and thankful to even have the opportunity to make these videos and go skiing. But for now, video 349 done.